Alrighty, staff. I want to get this out to you guys as soon as possible. This website is amazing. I'm going to start using it with my students, and I hope that you guys start using it with your students as soon as possible. This is called Infuse Learning. You can use this. This is a good website to use when you do have the iPads. It's a great way to assess the students. And you can do many types of assessments, different types of assessments. Let me just show you some of the things that you'll need to know. So the website's just right here, infuselearning.com. You're going to register. You have your own username and your password. I already have mine. It's very self-explanatory on how the kids get into it. They just go to Infuse Learning, and they click on Student, and then they put their ID, and then their name at the bottom, and they're all set. They're all set to go. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But first, let me just show you some of the website apps that you can use. You can infuse draw, and this is just like your workspace here. You can give instruction here, or you can use instruction on your PowerPoint, however you want. And then with this place right here, you can write your instruction and then save it. You can also, the cool thing about this is you can ask the students right away. So while you're giving instruction, you say, so did Abraham Lincoln ever tell a lie? And you click on true or false, or ABC questions. You can give them any types of questions, and then you wait for the student to give you your response here. And then you could go back to your drawing. Then you could go back here, home, and then draw. So it's a really cool program. I'd like you guys to get going on this right away and start playing with it. You could do your draw response. So this is the quick assessment: draw response, true or false, sort and order, open-ended text questions, numeric and Likert scale. So 1 through 5. And a 1 through 5 is Mrs. Estrada, the best-looking teacher at the elementary. And of course, everybody's going to click on 5. So another thing that you could do, like I showed you, infuse draw. Now infuse draw, I already showed you that. Infuse link, where you could enter any link here or to publish to the device. And then quiz management, so you can add your own quizzes. Here, add new quizzes. And that's very simple to do. You give the quiz the title. For example, this is going to call the staff, and add a tag. So here, you can add tags or whatever you want. Describe it. You can shuffle the questions so the kids are not answering the same question at the same time. You can filter into bad words. If you're going to have the kids answer in a text, like who is the tallest giraffe, or who is the tallest animal, which is giraffe, you're going to have them write giraffe, and they have to spell it correctly, of course. Display results. You can have the results being displayed in real time. As soon as the kids answer the question, it'll show it on your LCD projector. And then to add a question, you just add a question here. You can upload images. You can upload all the questions from DataWise. So you can have DataWise on the side here, and then just cut and paste, cut and paste, cut and paste, and add them in there. But I'm going to do a quick one. So I'm going to put I'm going to do a math one. 4 minus 2. What's the question? And then here I select the type. I want them to be. I want to have a numeric response. So they could only answer in numbers. And so that would be 2. Okay, and then I just submit it. Use as keywords. No, you just submit. And then I'm on to my next question. Here's my first question. There's my next question. Okay. And then you can put, what is pi? And then you select questions. You can do multiple choice. 3.0, 3.14, which is the correct answer. 4, which is the correct answer. 3.15, and 3.04. And then you click on the correct answer, and then you just submit it. Okay, So now, let's say you got your quiz, you're all set, and you're ready to give your lesson. And you give your lesson, and then you say, kids, I want you to use Infuse Learning. And you guys got your iPads. Now let's take this quiz. Or if you want to do a criterion reference test, we're going to take this test from DataWise. And so what you're going to do is, what you want to do, I think the best way to do it is this. You're going to go to your Google. Go ahead, Zach. You're going to go to Google, this one right here, GOO.GL. And what I would do is put, oops, let's see, go home. Because I got a wrong address there. Press tab to search. No, I don't want to search that. Okay, let's go back. Okay, there we go. Now we're at home. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to paste it here under paste. And I want it. And this is a cool thing to do here. And what it's going to do, it's going to shorten. Yeah, you got to deal with this. So PDISOU, and then which, guess it wants me to spell, which, and then verify it. Okay, now there it is. Now I'm going to go to details because I want to copy this. And once I copy this, save image, copy image, I can go to my workspace, set up a new page, and then paste it here. And now I can make it bigger, as big as I want, so the kids can just go into their iPad. Let me go grab one of the iPads here. And so I grabbed one of the iPads, and all they got to do is scan it. And so you go to the scan app on the iPad, and the students scan it. Ooh, yeah, I didn't think about that, so you guys are probably not seeing this. But the student will just scan it, and it'll take them straight to that website. And let's see. I might be able to show you. Let me open up a new one, and let's see if I can do it. InfuseLearning.com. I go here, and then oh, yep, I can. So student login, and if you notice that my teacher login is 22900, so I put 22900, and then I put my name. Let's say I'm Pancho, so I'm going to put Pancho there, and then I'm going to submit it. And there is my student, connecting successfully. Now he's just going to wait for me to push that test. So I'm going to go to home, and then I'm going to go to my quizzes, and then I'm going to go to the one that I just did on D-Staff lesson, and then here's the play button. So you just press play. There's other options here. You can share this with other teachers. You can share your test with other teachers. You can edit it, change it, or you can delete it. We're going to play it. And quiz, get results. Okay, so now it's on. So here's my student, and then this is what pops up as soon as he gets there. So you just begin the quiz. And then 4 minus 2, let's say I got the wrong answer, and it's 3. And then I submit it. Or the kids can skip it too. What is pi? Let's say I got this right. And so I got this. I'm going to get this one right. Or, oh, I didn't see this.
3.14.
So they could even speak, so you could even hear it. So it'll text it to you. And you could even hear the test. That's something DataWise can't do and no other assessment can do. So it'll even read the test to them, which is awesome. So then you submit it, and you're done with your test. Kind of looks like you're done with your test. So it says submit, and then it'll have them wait for the next test. And there's my results. And I wanted to show you this website because in real time, the teacher's going to get the results right away. And you can see that Pancho got the first question wrong and the second question right. And then, so in your class of 20 or 28, you're going to see all these names pop up, and you're going to get the results for question number 1, question number 2, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so on and so on. Okay? So Like I said, this is a great program. Um, there's a lot of great support that you can use. Uh, this is you can print this out. This is a really good graph that will show you uh, your red and your greens, how well your kids are doing. And so please, I encourage you to use it. Let me know if you have any other questions on it. I would love for everyone to start using it. Thank you.